Ratwall is configured for a drain outlet position as standard from the factory. However, it can be reconfigured for a drain inlet by simply reversing the orientation of the flap. This is done by using the Allen key that's supplied in the box to remove the brace. Then the hinge pivot pin is removed, the flap is reversed, the pin is reinserted and the brace is put back on. I will take you through those steps now. Remove the two screws holding the brace and set them to one side for use in a moment. That's the first one. Second one. Now the brace maybe put to one side. The hinge pivot pin can be removed by just using the Allen key for a bit of leverage, put to one side. Now the flap is free to disassemble. It is turned through 180 degrees and put back. At this point we put the pin back in. It clicks back into place. The brace goes back on in the same orientation it came off, and then we put the screws back in place. That's the first one. Second one. And now the unit is ready for installation into a drain inlet position.